Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be pulling off the front bumper, pretty much delving into the damage that is, as you can see down there. If you haven't seen already, go up to the top corner and you'll see a link to my previous video where I go into depth on like how this actually happened, how I crashed on a R33 GTR. Basically, my whole story behind this R33 GTR is that I want to build it for my parents. So both my parents have passed away, and it would mean the world for me to dedicate this build to them, bring you guys along for the journey. Got a lot of ideas for this build, so basically I want to build my own body parts, convert them into carbon fiber, create them from scratch, learn that process because I haven't done it before, so it'd just be wicked to bring you guys along for the process. And if you're into cars, JDM cars, and watching people build cool stuff, I guess like hit that subscribe button, hit the like button for me. That'd be massively appreciated, and I'm trying to get this started. And then in the background you'll see how I'm trying to make a Australia-wide JDM giveaway company. We're going to be giving away some rims. We're going to be doing some like $500 gift voucher giveaways just for free, just to give back to the community. And yeah, like we'll eventually build our own JDM builds that are all authentic parts from Japan, and we'll show you the entire process, so then you can really trust how the cars have been built in the best way possible from reputable people in Sydney. And we'll be giving them away for charity, and yeah, hopefully building bigger and better builds one after another. And that's kind of my plan for Project JDM. Would love for you guys to come along on that journey. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to start this and get this going, because I've been saying for a few years that I'm going to do this, and I just haven't been getting onto it because I've had my other business, my production business in Sydney. But yeah, I want to dedicate more time to me and cars and giving back to the car community. So yeah, come with me, let's get into it. So today we're going to be ripping off the front bumper, getting behind this mess and figuring out what's damaged, what needs to be replaced. I'm probably I already have a few parts that I've bought. I've got a few on the way. So I've got a stout carbon fiber hood on the way. I've got a Nismo 400R bumper that's on the way as well. There's a year waiting list for this thing, so it's going to be a bit of a process. Hopefully we can source another one in the meantime and get this thing looking nice. But got some Xenon headlights that need to go on. They cost me an absolute fucking bomb. I've been trying to flip them for a bit, but it's just no one wants to buy them, so I'm going to put them on the car, which I should have done in the first place. But yeah, let's jump into it. The first thing I want to do is crack the lugs loose. That's all loose, let's jack up the car and get it in the air. Get it on some jack stands, eh? It's like when you own an Audi car, you drive like that because everywhere you go you speed. Because he's cool, he's fucking awesome. He told me. Next step, we're going to take off the wheels, then the fender liners, and then the front bumper. see that on camera, but there's like that's the inner fender lining. And this part here would usually be sitting under the intercooler piping. And it looks like there's actually oil dripping through it. So that means that there's blow-by going into the intake and yeah, dripping out of there. So that's very interesting. I think when we do our new intercooler, we're gonna have to get everything off and then give it a good spray with some, I don't know, clean it down somehow inside the intercooler piping. Get that all looking a bit nice. And then I think we might have to go for a bit of a catch can as well, because essentially that would stop some of that pulling in the intercooler system. So there's that. Sorry if my hand's shaky, the camera's pretty heavy and I don't have a stabilizer. I'll be close here as well, but cool. So yeah, I'm gonna continue pulling off all the stuff that I can. I've got the lining off here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. The front bar off as well, and I need to just do the same to the other side to get the other lining off under there. And then once that's out, we should be able to pull off the front bumper. Let's give it a go. I'll just keep chipping away at this and update you guys when I'm done. Whoa, that's a sheared off bolt. Fuck me. Look at this. Did a number on that one. It's not too bad. Like, I mean, I believe we can bolt this off somehow as well. We can probably, here, I'll show you guys up close. That's a pretty heavy hit. Honestly, her car wasn't bad off considering that how much that fucking bent in. Like, that's wild to me that there was no dents on the car. But then this, so I'm pretty sure what we can do is retain all of these. Take these off. They're not bent. They've kind of bent with the support in terms of they've shifted, but the parts themselves haven't bent, which is good news. We can retain this intercooler mounting. We obviously have to replace the bushings because they're all fucked. Excuse my French. Intercooler's probably fucked under this as well. I'm guessing that's all smashed in. There's that bolt that I rounded off. But for the most part, all of this stuff from radiator forwards, the main components like the intercooler and the bar, done. Probably throw them out, chuck them in the bin. Headlights, completely fucked. I'm pretty sure the back of this headlight is completely shattered. But we've got new Xenons to go in there as well, which cost me a bomb like I mentioned before. So they're gonna look fucking sick. We're making progress, slowly but surely. I'll chuck you back on the tripod and let's start pulling off some more shit. And if you remember our other video, we just restored these. To be honest with you, that's probably as far as I'm going to be able to get today. But the next video, we'll probably try and tackle this because I don't have my impact drill charge right now. We'll pull off all of that, all those bolts, get rid of this mess there, see what else is broken behind it. I'm guessing I'm going to have to get new horns, which is fine. Hopefully we can salvage this, the fan shroud and the fan itself. I'm worried about the AC condenser. I think that's what this is. I'm not too sure, but that's going to be bent, so we might have to order another one of those. Already got a Plasma Man intercooler at home. Got a new radiator as well, which we can drop in because that one's punctured. It was leaking the day of the crash. And then yeah, we're probably gonna have someone panel beat this radiator support, because I think that's salvageable. It's minor bends and stuff and mounting points that don't align, so someone can probably help us out and fix it up. If you know anyone cheap in Sydney who knows how to do a good job and they're not gonna just absolutely destroy me with the price, and like, hit me up, please let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate the help. That's it for now, but next episode we'll jump into that. So that concludes today's episode. I'm pretty much got the whole front bumper off, which was a cool learning experience for me for sure. Haven't done it before. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, that's for sure. But yeah, so next episode we're going to jump in and pull off the bash bar and see if there's any more damage behind it. I think we can probably salvage a few more things in this crash, which is good. And then I'm going to get someone obviously to pull out this radiator support and fix that up. So yeah, if you like today's episode, so if you could, I would love the support. Please subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps me out more than you know. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. So peace.